How to start a successful dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you run your store without ever having physical products in stock. Once you get an order, your supplier will ship your products right from the warehouse straight to your customer's doorstep. You never have to worry about storing, packaging, or shipping products. In this video, I'll teach you 5 simple steps that will help you start a successful drop shipping business. Don't skip any part of this video and you discover all the secrets to start a successful drop shipping. Let's move straight into action. 1. Find the best-selling products. What you sell matters. You should take some time to find the best dropshipping business ideas and products on the market. Most people tell you to pick a niche that you are passionate about, but that's only a half truth. It's about a combination of profit and passion. It's a lot easier to be passionate when you are actually making money. Money drives that great emotion that will keep you going. So in order not to give up, passion alone will never carry you there. You need to be profitable in whatever you're doing. There are so many tools that can help you find trending products and business ideas. Google Trends and Ubersuggest keyword tools are very good tools that will help you in this regards. You can also see product trends on social media, see the most talked about products and see where the trend is. What are people talking about? What are people discussing? What are people buying? What is the season? And what products will fit the season? These are only tools to help you find the best-selling products. So that is the first point. Find those best-selling products. That is where you want to focus your energy. 2, do competitor analysis. You need to find those people who are also into these products. Once you have decided what to sell, you now need to educate yourself or find out about your competitors. Who are your competitors? What are they selling? And how are they selling these products? There are many ways to do this. You can run a quick search of the products that you want to sell in Google or any other search engine. The top 10 results on Google or any other search engine will give you a good indication of your competition. Search through Alexa or similar web to find niche competitors that might not show up high in general search results. When you search these products in some of the search engines, most of your competitors might not show up, and you can use either Alexa or similar web to capture these other competitors. These are websites that will help you summarize all the websites that you're searching, including their social media profiles, any advertising they are doing, audience and traffic information for their website, and a list of competitors for that business. You can also search on social media for some competitors. It is very important. Know the people that you're going to be in business with, the people you're going to compete in this same business with. So that is the second thing. You need to do a good competitor analysis. Number 3, find a supplier. So in dropshipping, what happens is you don't need to have the physical product at hand. You just need to find a good supplier who will supply the goods or the products whenever any of your customers make an order. It can be easy to find good supplier on AliExpress. Once you are on the platform, you can search for products and choose suppliers from the list of results. On the platform, you can see reviews, ratings, and how long the supplier has been on the platform. This will help you choose the best supplier for the selected product. When you have a list of 5 or 6 potential suppliers to choose from, you can move on to the next step, which is contacting these suppliers to ask important questions like minimum order quantities and shipping times. The best way to make the decision now is place a sample order. You want to know how long it will take for orders to reach your customers, and you also want to check the quality of the products that your people or your customers are going to receive. So in doing this, also put yourself in the shoes of your customers. You need to think about your customers because they are the people who are going to bring in businesses, the people who are going to bring in the money. So put yourself in the shoes of your customers and think about them. Order some samples and check the time it will come. Check the quality of the products. Check the shipping time. You also want to check the quality of the packaging. This will help you make a good decision in selecting a supplier. So that is the third thing. Search for a supplier. Number 4, build a drop shipping business store. In creating a business store, a strong domain name is very important as this will stand as your brand. It should be in line with the products you are selling. Remember to keep it simple. You can use services like Shopify or create your own store with WordPress. This is where you will list all your products for people to order or people to buy from. If you don't want to go through the stress of doing this yourself, you can get someone to do it for you at a fee on Fiverr. This is very simple. You don't need to do all the things by yourself. Go to Fiverr, search people who build business stores, and they can do this for you at a small fee. So check the video description for a link to Fiverr and start your search. So that is the 4th thing. Build a dropshipping business store where you will list all your products that you will sell. Number 5, market your drop shipping business. It is very important to let people know about your product, so you use all available means to market the products that you'll be selling. So at this point, you found products and built your store. It's the time to market your drop shipping business. Try all available marketing options to get your products out there, from free social media to paid advertisement. You can do Facebook advertisement, influencer marketing, and so on. There are so many ways you can market your products and services for free. You can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can use wherever the traffic is. That is where you want to place your product. So find the means to market your products and you make lots of money doing this. Starting a drop shipping business is a great first step into entrepreneurship. You'll be able to sell products to customers, set your own product prices, and market your own brand. You don't even need to pay for inventory until it's sold to an actual customer. If you are willing to put in the work, you can build a successful brand. Go ahead, start that dropshipping business now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our video. Thank you for watching.